Global Revision Checklist. What steps should you follow, and how can you master the practice? Unlike local revision, which attends to sentence-level issues, global revision is the craft of improving one's writing by addressing larger issues such as purpose and audience, focus, organization and paragraphing, overall content, and point of view. Global revision should likely be the first step in the revision process because global revision may require writers to eliminate, reorder, or restructure sentences, a requirement that may undo or complicate the work of local revision. Step 1. Purpose and audience. Begin by answering these kinds of questions. Does the draft address a question, a problem, or an issue that readers care about? Is the draft appropriate for its audience? Does it account for the audience's knowledge of and possible attitudes toward the subject? Step 2. Focus. Begin by answering these kinds of questions. Is the thesis prominent near the end of the intro? Is the thesis strong? Is the thesis as concrete as possible, not too general in its terms? Is it narrow, not too broad for the project? Is it challenging and interesting, not too bland or obvious? Is it grounded in supporting evidence, not too speculative? Is it incisive, and does it engage a problem or debate? Scan the supporting paragraphs. Are any ideas obviously off the point? Step 3. Organization and paragraphing. Begin by answering these kinds of questions. Are there enough organizational cues for readers, such as topic sentences or headings? Are ideas presented in a logical order? Are any paragraphs too long or too short for easy reading? Step 4. Content. Begin by answering these kinds of questions. Is the supporting material relevant and persuasive? Which ideas need further development? Have you left the reader with any unanswered questions? Are the parts proportioned sensibly? Do major ideas receive enough attention? Is there sufficient evidence in developed paragraphs, facts, examples, expert testimony? Step 5. Point of view. Begin by answering questions like this one. Is the dominant point of view first person, second person, or third person appropriate for your purpose and audience?